Hey guys, this is Epson ECOTANK ET-3850 series. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, scan with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents from this printer to your mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and mobile device or whichever gadget you want to use both are connected to the same network. Scan your document, open up the glass scanner and stick the document that you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from your right. You will see a white arrow on your right. Stick the document on the right. Close the scanner. Go to your mobile phone, Epson Smart Panel and select scan. You need to select document source as glass scanner, or you can also select auto dictate. If it will pick the document wherever you load the document. You can pick it from ADF or from glass scanner. It's currently with glass scanner and document size is A4. Image type is color. Resolution is currently in standard 300 dpi. So you have also 600 dpi is the highest from the phone. Remove background is off. Automatic rotation is on. Image format is PDF. Then you select start. This document is scanning the original. This is the document we scanned. If you want to scan the second page, to open up the glass scanner, stick the document you want to scan, close the scanner, then select add. Now I'm scanning the second page. If you change your mind, you can cancel it from the app or cancel it from. You can rotate this document to your preference. Now the next thing to do is once you finish the document that you want to scan, then you select next. Then you save the document. So you can type the name you want to save the document as. Then select save. You select location. Your file is saved. Then go back to the home page. Select yes or no. I want us to print this document out, so I'm going to select no. Now to print this document out, you select this share icon. Then you select the platforms that you want to print this document. You scroll down and look for Epson Smart Panel. Epson Smart Panel. Now this document is attached to Epson Smart Panel. 2 pages document. To print this out, you select the settings. Printing range is 1 to 2. Paper type is A4. Media type plain paper. Layout is border. Print quality standard. Cascade 1. Color. You want to print this in color. Print double-sided long edge, and you select how many copies, then select done. Once you select all the features, then you select print. Preparing to print the reverse side. Do not touch the document. Printing complete. This is the document we scanned and also printed it out double-sided. The document we save on the phone, you can go to the file and you will see this document. If you go to the file, go to document or picture or wherever you save the document, you will see the document. So this is how to scan your document from this printer to your mobile phone, save it, and also print it out double-sided. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. I'm happy with this printer and it deserves your attention. Thank you.